Preparing for a good Ramadan requires both spiritual and practical readiness. Here are some essential steps to help you make the most of this holy month. Atin 1. Spiritual preparation. Increase your worship. Start reading the Quran regularly and aim to complete it during Ramadan. Perform voluntary prayers, nafil, and practice waking up for tahajjud. Begin fasting on Mondays and Thursdays as a sunnah practice to prepare your body. Sincere repentance. Seek forgiveness for past mistakes and make a sincere intention to change bad habits. Make lots of istighfar, seeking forgiveness, and reflect on self-improvement. Dua and intentions. Make a list of personal goals and duas you want to focus on during Ramadan. Pray for guidance, strength, and consistency in your worship. Develop good habits. Try to improve your character by being more patient, kind, and generous. Control your speech and actions to align with Islamic values. 2. Physical preparation. Adjust your routine. Start adjusting your sleep and meal schedules to align with suhoor, pre-dawn meal, and iftar, breaking fast. Reduce caffeine intake to avoid withdrawal symptoms during fasting. Healthy eating habits. Reduce consumption of junk food and focus on nutritious meals that provide sustained energy. Stay hydrated by drinking more water and eating water-rich foods. Exercise moderation. Gradually ease into lighter workouts to maintain fitness without overexerting yourself during fasting. 3. Financial preparation. Plan for charity, sadaqah, and zakat. Assess your finances and calculate your zakat obligations ahead of time. Set aside funds for charitable donations to help those in need during Ramadan. Grocery planning. Prepare a meal plan for suhoor and iftar to avoid waste and unnecessary spending. Stock up on essential healthy foods like dates, nuts, and whole grains. Tapat 4. Mental and emotional preparation. Reduce distractions. Limit time spent on social media and entertainment to focus on spiritual growth. Engage in activities that bring you closer to Allah, such as reading Islamic books or attending religious lectures. Strengthen relationships. Reconcile with family and friends and enter Ramadan with a clean heart. Plan family iftar gatherings and spiritual discussions to increase motivation. By taking these steps, you can ensure that you are well prepared to embrace the blessings of Ramadan with full devotion and sincerity.